goodness. Oh my. Oh my goodness.
It smells like my sister's a dumb outside. What the f?
I didn't see that. Look.
Nobody's gonna know. I just caught that.
Whose fault was it? How did he call
And the drugs. Don't make it so obvious. So you do have drugs. Put her there. God, you idiot. Do it, Charlie.
Shit.
Play the great lottery of life. Go on, Charlie. Enjoy it. Open it up, my boy. Oh.
God.
Did not do it for you. I don't know.
When the AC kicks on, yeah, pretty low in the quarter, so what?
Take another pill before we leave. What the f? Stupid ass bitch. Jesus. Holy sh!
When he drove back out, the Clippers were clearly ready for that and had Marcus Morris shift over from the wing and scram Zubats out of that matchup. And Zubats, it was like a very interesting, because you typically see the scram switch in the post, and the Clippers were ready to do it on the perimeter. That happened once because.
What are you doing, dude? What are you doing?
Elaborating, so it's like pulling teeth trying trying to get information. Oh my god, dude! You are in the wrong side. That is opposing traffic.
You got someone literally driving on the wrong lane?
Yes, they're driving in the wrong side! Bro!